Here's what you need to know about how to make Remotion video's automation pipeline. This is a key topic in video automation at Yasser OT. By the end of this video, you will understand the core concepts. Let's get into it. A Remotion video's automation pipeline turns structured JSON data into fully rendered educational videos without manual editing. It chains together topic generation, text-to-speech with word-level timestamps, programmatic React rendering, thumbnail creation, and YouTube metadata output. The entire flow runs from a single command and produces upload-ready content in minutes. Key concept: topic JSON drives everything. A single JSON file defines the video content, title, key points, diagrams, examples, and exam tips. Every downstream step reads from this one source of truth. Key concept: auto voiceover with timestamps. A Node.js script splits the JSON into 10 scene narrations, calls edge-tts to generate MP3 audio, and extracts word-level timestamps for precise on-screen caption sync. Key concept: Remotion renders React to video. Remotion treats React components as video frames. The pipeline passes topic data and timestamps via props, then renders 1920 by 1080 h.264 video at 30 frames per second with zero manual editing. Key concept: thumbnail and metadata finish it. A Python script generates AI thumbnails using a fallback chain of image APIs. A metadata script produces YouTube titles, descriptions, 30 tags, and a pinned comment, all upload ready. Let's look at the full breakdown. 1. Generate topic JSON, define title, key points, diagram data. Save structured data as single source of truth. Validate against TypeScript interface. 2. Generate voiceovers, split JSON into 10 scene narration scripts. Call edge-tts for MP3 audio per scene. Extract word-level timestamps for captions. 3. Render with Remotion, pass props JSON via CLI props flag. React components render each scene frame by frame. Output h.264 MP4 at 1920 by 1080 30 frames per second. 4. Generate thumbnails, AI image generation with fallback chain. Hugging Face Pollination's GPT image pillow. Auto-select best of 4 candidates. 5. Generate metadata, create YouTube title and description. Generate 30 SEO tags and 5 hashtags. Write pinned comment and upload ready files. 6. Upload ready output, final MP4 video with synced captions. 1280 by 720 thumbnail PNG. Metadata TXT in JSON and output folder. Here's a real-world example. You type one command, create video on DNS. The system generates a topic JSON with DNS concepts, calls edge-tts to produce 10 audio scenes with word-level timestamps, renders a 5-minute branded video with neon cyan captions synced to every spoken word, generates 4 AI thumbnail candidates and picks the best one, then writes YouTube metadata with 30 tags. 10 minutes later you have a complete video folder ready to drag into YouTube Studio. Quick recap before you go. 1. One JSON file is the single source of truth for all video content. 2. edge-tts generates voiceovers with word-level timestamps for caption sync. 3. Remotion renders React components as h.264 video frames via CLI. 4. AI thumbnail pipeline uses a 4-tier fallback chain for reliability. 5. The full pipeline runs from a single command and outputs upload-ready files. That's how to make Remotion video's automation pipeline covered. Tip: remember the pipeline order: JSON, voiceover, render, thumbnail, metadata. Each step depends on the previous one, so always validate your topic JSON first before running downstream steps. Next up, how to deploy Remotion Lambda for cloud rendering. If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.